Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Experiments. Today I am doing color changing experiment. First, the ingredients: turmeric, lemon and water and detergent. Okay, let's start now. First we should pour some water. No, not some water. Full glass water. Okay. Let's add some turmeric powder. This much of turmeric powder. Some more. And let's mix it well. And it is dark yellow, some dark yellow. Now let's add some detergent. With a spoon, take this much of detergent and wear in it. And mix it. Oh my gosh! It's red color. Wow, it's red in color. The color is changed. Now it will change like a before yellow color. Let's cut the lemon. Okay, now we cut it and let's add some lemon. Now let's mix it. Now it became light red color. Now in upper it's red color. Inside is it in before color. Did you saw that? See, its color is changed. Did you see at the side? It's yellow color and it's before it's light lemon yellow. It changed so neatly. It changed 4 colors. First is it a dark yellow and second is red, dark red and now before yellow and light yellow. It changed 4 types of colors. This is so easy. Did you watch? This flame will go out. It will get before yellow only. Mix it. Done. It's done. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. If you like this video and it worked, please give comment and box. Bye bye, see you in next video.